Fix the tractor. Understanding everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase, fix the tractor. This phrase is a great example of everyday English and is used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Fix the tractor literally means repairing or making a tractor operational again. A tractor is a vehicle commonly used in farming or construction. However, this phrase can also be used metaphorically. In everyday speech, fix means to repair or resolve a problem in any context, not just mechanical. For example, fixing a meal means to prepare food. Understanding the context is key to grasping the phrase's meaning. Let's explore how fix the tractor can be used. 1. Literal usage. In a farming context, it might mean repairing the actual machine. For instance, after harvesting, I need to fix the tractor. 2. Metaphorical usage. In a broader sense, it can imply solving a problem. For example, our project is like a broken tractor. We need to fix it before the deadline. When using this phrase, be careful not to confuse fix with fit. Fix means to repair, while fit usually means to install or make something suitable. For instance, I will fix the broken window versus I will fit the new window. Try to create your sentences using fix the tractor in both literal and metaphorical ways. This will help you understand and remember the usage better. That's all for today's lesson on fix the tractor. Remember, understanding the context is crucial for interpreting phrases in English. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned.